Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says that if cot theta into cot 7 theta plus cot theta into cot 4 theta plus cot 4 theta into cot 7 theta equals to 1, then theta equals to A, B, C, D options given है हमारे पास. So first of all की concept क्या use करेंगे? की concept. First result is cot A plus B, which is equal to cot A into cot B minus 1 upon cot A plus cot B. And second result is sin A plus B, which is equal to sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. And third result is when sin theta equals to sin alpha, then general solution of theta it is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n into alpha, where n belongs to any integer. So now इसके कॉन्सेप्ट को यूज करके इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करते हैं. गिवन इक्वेशन क्या है हमारे पास? कोट थीटा इंटू कोट 7 थीटा, कोट थीटा इंटू कोट 7 थीटा प्लस कोट थीटा इंटू कोट 4 थीटा, then next cot 4 theta into cot 7 theta equals to 1. So now it can be written as, first of all, take cot 7 theta common from these two terms. So it becomes cot 7 theta into cot theta plus cot 4 theta equals to 1 minus cot theta into cot 4 theta. So now from here cot 7 theta it is equal to, take minus common from numerator, so it becomes cot theta into cot 4 theta minus 1 upon cot theta plus cot 4 theta. So now from here it can be written as cot 7 theta equals to minus cot A plus B का फॉर्मूला जाएगा cot theta plus 4 theta. So now from here it becomes cot 7 theta equals to minus cot 5 theta, which is equal to cot 7 theta plus cot 5 theta equals to 0. Now cot 7 theta it can be written as cos 7 theta upon sin 7 theta plus cot 5 theta it can be written as cos 5 theta upon sin 5 theta equals to 0. So now take LCM, it becomes cos 7 theta into sin 5 theta plus cos 5 theta into sin 7 theta upon LCM क्या आएगा? sin 7 theta into sin 5 theta, which is equal to 0. So now it is equal to sin 5 theta into cos 7 theta plus cos 5 theta into sin 7 theta equals to 0, which is equal to sin A plus B का फॉर्मूला जाएगा. So it becomes sin 5 theta plus 7 theta equals to 0, which is equal to sin 12 theta equals to 0. It can be written as sin 12 theta equals to sin 0 degree, which is in the form of sin theta equals to sin alpha. So from here 12 theta equals to n pi plus minus 1 raised to power into alpha, which is 0, where n belongs to any integer. So now from here 12 theta equals to n pi and theta equals to n pi upon 12, where n belongs to any integer. So this is our final answer. Now options के साथ मैच करते हैं. So from given options, option D is the correct answer, which is n pi upon 12, where n belongs to any integer. I hope you all understand it well. Best of luck.